I got something real special for you guys today. MT4, easy strategy, 90% accuracy. Let's get it. What's up, guys? I just want to show you guys something really quick, okay? How to use the MT4 app and how to be profitable with it. So I don't always look on my trading view and look at the analysis. Sometimes I'm somewhere, somewhere else. I'm not able to access my laptop, or maybe I just don't feel like looking at it. And, I'm really good to the point where I can just trade off my phone and make a lot of money. There are a lot of people in the world who don't have access to a laptop, and they're able to make thousands of dollars from their phone. So I'm going to show you exactly what settings you need so you can be successful trading just from your phone. Okay, so let's go into it. All right, so if you don't know how to use the MT4 app, let me put my phone on. Okay, so if you don't know how to use the MT4 app, you're taking of your trade. Okay, so to delete any quotes, boom, pick the ones that you want gone and just put them in a trash can. To add any, press the plus sign, go to all the categories if you want, or you can just search it up. Boom, added. You'll see it, it's the last one right there. Okay, so settings, go to charts, make sure that your volumes is off, your period separators is off, you don't need those. Go to your colors. You can copy my settings if you want. Okay, the important thing is that your bull candle is green and your bear candle is red. Now, I'm going to go to chart. You see my chart looks very different from you guys. Just forget about the top for now. Let's focus on the bottom of our chart. What is at the bottom right here is called a custom TDI. Okay, you can't have a TDI on the MT4, so you have to make your own. Okay, so if you haven't seen my shark fin strategy video, that was in my last YouTube video, check that out, and that'll show you how to use this strategy to trade. Okay, so how to set up this shark fin strategy with the TDI. You go to your F to apply indicators, apply relative strength index, period 14, apply to close, levels at 50, style does not matter, just something that you can see. And then you want to go to Bollinger Bands. Okay, so just go here, boom, Bollinger Bands. I already have it added. Period 34, shift 2, deviations 1.619, applied to previous indicators data. All right, you don't need any levels for this one, and the style doesn't matter as long as it's visible to you. Okay, so make sure that the numbers are exact. Okay, I put my pixels on 2 so it's clear for me to see. Okay, so just make sure the numbers are exact and you're good. Okay, so you can use the shark fin strategy now that your chart looks like mine on the bottom. You can now apply the shark fin strategy to your trading. Now if you look at my main chart, I have 4 lines. The white line is the moving average, and the other 3 lines, which is green, red, and blue, is called the alligator. Now this is how I use the alligator. The alligator is used for trend identification. Okay, so if you look right here, the green line is over the red line. If you look closely, the green line is over the red line. This shows that the trend of the bulls, the uptrend, is strong and it's continue to go up. All right, but look at this right here. The green line and the red line crossed, and then it was a trend reversal, and the green line is under the red line, showing that the trend is going down. Okay, so green line crosses again here, price goes up, crosses again right here, price goes down. Okay, indicating the trend reversals. So you can use this for a couple of things. You can use this to know if you should stay in a trade. You can use this to find a good trend opportunity to jump in. You can use this to find a good trend reversal opportunity, or you can use this, just to know when to get out of a trade. So let's say I'm in this downtrend for a sell, right? And let's see, I think that, this is about to cross, and it does cross. Maybe I want to get out of my sell now, just like that, a good exit strategy. Okay, so you can use this alligator in combination with the shark fin strategy to trade. So maybe, for example, right here we see a shark fin right here on the bottom of our TDI, and then we see on the top that price is respecting the moving average, and right here we get a nice little cross right here. The green line is under the red line. Boom. Maybe I want to enter a sell now, and look what happens. You just caught a whole lot of pips. And then maybe you want to get out that trade when the line crosses again. Easy money. Okay? So let's see if we can find another example. Right here. Price is oversold on the bottom. We have a shark fin. Okay? Also a little double top pattern right there. And let's say we're waiting for the sell, but we want to see something from the alligator. Boom. The alligator gives us a cross right here. And the green line is under the red, indicating that it's about to fall. Trend reversal. Maybe we want to enter our sell, and look what happens. Big money, lots of pips. Okay? So definitely set this up. Watch this video a couple times if you want to know how to set this up. But you're able to make a lot of money just by trading this strategy. Okay? I don't have to look at the trading view to really trade and make money. That's just if I really want to put my head down, get extra confluence. But I've flipped accounts just being on my phone. All right, so this is how you guys can do that. Apply these indicators right here. Practice it on demo first and see if you can get some results. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope this helped. Go B.